in this car, we're even gonna get rid of the front windshield moldings. So that way we have no trim on it. We're gonna do one piece glass all around so the whole car actually has zero moldings on the whole entire build.
So it's time. ADV sent the wheels. It's been a long time coming. Went through design after design after design. Originally, Christian found them at SEMA, and he was like, dude, these are like my dream wheels, and the dream wheels are here. Let's check one out. Let's do it. I'll put it down there.
Oh my. Got it? Yep.
Oh yeah, that's the perfect color. Holy cow. Dang. Oh my god. Lucky we couldn't have picked a better color.
I know. That's turned out so good.
Holy cow. They're the ADV 7 Series track spec. So the wheels that they debuted at SEMA 2018.
Friday night, we're at these bars. You're smiling at me like I'm a star. Yeah. One hour later, can't find your face. I'm stumbling around, but there's not a trace. Say, what's the meaning? Just give me something. I need a remedy. Yeah, to keep me in the light. You are my remedy.
thank you so much. Thank you and the
Always
team.
welcome.
That's insane. I mean, you guys crushed it. So obviously,
No,
the
it's been
whole
a
team.
fun build. It's just obviously, you know, timing's everything. My team did an incredible job on it. I mean,
Yeah. So tell us, like, as quick as you can, in the quick, brief summary, what did you guys do to this car?
you know, it came to us as a pretty decent vehicle, we thought. You know,
Right.
we took apart it, sandblasted, we found out there's a whole bunch of monsters underneath it. A lot of rust, a lot of corrosion, and you guys wanted, you know, intake vents, bumpers, this, that.
Sure.
You know, all that can take into consideration. You know, it just takes time. This thing's quarter panel's been cut off. There's so much work to be done. Floors are just rusted, roof's done. Just everything's bad. You know, you open a can of worms, you never know you're gonna get. But this thing was probably one of the worst builds we've done actually here.
Really?
It's kind of crazy to say because we've done some f***ed up stuff here, but you know, at the end of the day, these cars have been restored.
Right.
So now,
and when
you
it
know,
came to you, and when we showed you it with paint, it didn't. We didn't
thought
know
it was
what we
great.
were getting into.
No, but we thought, you know, we do a quick chiller change. We want to do something fun, but you know, so at the end of the day, we do
Yeah.
what we do best. You know,
We
and-
sent it up to the guys who do the media blasting.
Yeah, Alex did a great job
Alex
media
did a
blasting,
great
but the
job.
problem is it exposed everything we didn't want
Everything.
to expose. You know,
Yeah.
we got it back. You know, we gutted it, shaved the drip rails, shaved this, shaved that, shaved the bumpers, shaved the rear bumpers, logos, emblems, everything you possibly could do on this build. We probably did everything. You know, I got to give it to my surfacing team. I have a phenomenal surfacing and paint team.
Right.
You know, where if you can't highlight this car, if you realize the quarter panels are destroyed, fenders are destroyed, everything's destroyed on it, trying to get it back to where it actually looks the part and actually highlight it, it just takes good people and good timing.
So, if you had one thing, what's your favorite part about this car or this build?
What we're doing it for, the cause. We love what we do, but reality is it's the cause why we're doing it. My team got together, we agreed the cause was what we wanted to do it for, and I hope like hell he likes it. You know, there's nothing more to do stuff for people who care. This thing blew a lot of the builds that we do, even for a 6-month build. You know,
Sure.
the fit and finish is phenomenal. The paint job's freaking incredible. We did one-piece glass, all this. All that came out better than I expected, especially
Right.
for the rebuild.
Well, when you suggested the one-piece glass and Fesler got on board right away, I was like, wow. And then you were like, no, really, like you have to fit the car. Like you can't just buy one-piece glass and replace it.
Yeah, I mean, fit and finish everything. You got to have everything up front, like I told you. If you don't have it up front and trying to do it right,
Right.
you always create extra problems at the end.
Okay.
You see, we got a new grill, and we have a little bit of problems here and there, but at the end of the day, we make it work. But when you have this, we make it work up front. The finish quality at the end is that much better. All right, Christian, here it all is. You know, you have no clue that we had it. I know you know who we are, and you know what we're about. You know, I'm greatly appreciate that you actually let us have your car, even though you don't know we have your car. But now we're going to send it out back to Speed Society to get a finished product on it. I hope you love it. And I hope you get to appreciate everything we've done for you. Me and my team, thank you for the time you've done, and hope that you get better soon.
Paint job, oh my God, the thing was so beautiful. Like it was just amazing. I think I was in a little bit of shock when I saw it.
Let's go.